Are you only interested in a sales call and closing the deal right today? Do you have no patience for building relationships, showing up for people, or providing content? Do you think people need to pay you for everything that you share and think, well, I'll just tell them what I do. And if they want to know any more, then they can hop on my calendar or pay me $1,000? Well, if that's the truth, then this is the wrong place for you because sales needs marketing. Knowledge is to be shared. When you are putting out your best stuff, that is when you attract the best clients. So, if you want to live in scarcity mindset and not share anything without people paying you lots of money, if you only care about a sale and don't care about a relationship, or if you want to just throw things out there and think that digital marketing, content, social media means nothing, it only means if they pay me, then this is not the place for you. But on the converse, if you want to build more relationships, have a greater audience, have more people excited to get into your sales funnel and ready to buy for you before you ever sit down on a sales call, then you've come to the right place. So stay here, find out what we have to do, and check out all these videos of how you can set yourself up as an expert, build an online presence that drives people organically into your funnel without sending spammy messages, spending all day on sales calls or online social media, or pulling your hair out and spending tons of money on ads that just don't convert.